So today we're going to talk to you about wrestling. I know a lot of people don't really know a lot about the sport, so many people just think we're like sweaty men that just grab onto each other. So we're going to start with the mat. So you got like, it's like a square. You got one circle, like a big circle, inside, and then you got a smaller circle inside. You got like the one line here. It's rude. Thanks. And then you got a red line here. So I don't really have a white, so I'll just use black. There's also two lines that connect these. They're usually white. So you start off the match. The match is six minutes long. You have the first period. That's like 2 minutes. And you start on your feet, so it's called neutral position. So it's like no one has ties over the other person or advantage. So one person starts with their foot on that one, the other person starts with their foot on that line. And before you start the match, they give you like your color. They'll give you an anklet for home or away. It's home usually. And then you can score either by like when you're first on your feet, you can score by taking them down, which is just like you take a shot usually and put them, and you're on top after that. So then you get 2 points for that, so 2-point takedown. And then let's say this period ends and you go in the second period. That one's also 2 minutes long. And usually this one starts on bottom or top. You flip a coin that has red or green on one side or another. Whoever wins the toss, they get the choice. They can either choose top, bottom, or neutral, or they can defer the choice. So they can say that like they want to give it to the other person. It's kind of like football. When you get the coin toss, you can defer which way you want to kick the ball or whatever. Same idea. So after that, most of the time people choose bottom because when you're on bottom, you get the choice. If you get up and get away from the person on top of you, then you get an escape point. That's 1 point escape. Or you can also, on bottom, you can reverse them. So if you're on bottom and then you reverse and get on top, then you get 2 points, 2-point reversal. And then let's say this period ends, you're up by, I don't know, let's say you had a reversal and takedown, so you're up by 4. Then you go to the third period, and it's also 2 minutes long, so this is the last period. And you're on top now, you choose top, or you choose bottom, whatever. And you put him on his back, or expose his back for over 2 seconds. You get 2-point back points for anything over 2 seconds. And then if you hold it for 3 seconds, then you get, 5 seconds, you get 3 points for back points. But it's less than like, if you got 4 seconds, you'd only have 2 points for back points. So then most of the matches are based on criteria. You can either win by criteria, which is just points, like say this person would win off like 6-0, or you can win off pins, which is you hold someone's back down on the mat for like 2 seconds, both shoulder blades. Or you can tech fall, which is you beat someone by more than 15 points. So it's like a mercy rule. And then there's a lot more to it, but that's basically it.